And hello and welcome back to Ethan Does Growing Mushrooms. Today we're going to be picking and spritzing the mushrooms. Come over, come on over. And we're going to be picking this one, so I'll get straight in. There we go. Oh, there's little mushrooms on it. I picked up 2 little mushrooms. I should put that back in so the mushrooms grow, but then that'll be evil. So I'm just going to pop it down here and start spritzy. So, I'm going to see you tomorrow. We'll see you soon for Ethan Does Growing Mushrooms. Goodbye! And hello and welcome back to Ethan Does Growing Mushrooms. So, I'm so excited to start spritzing! First, let's start spritzing. Instead of doing spritzing straight away, we plan on harvesting this. There we go. We should cut the end of this mushroom's root off. I'll try this with the loop. Okay, actually I've decided we're not cutting the end of this mushroom root off. So we will be cutting the root of this mushroom off camera. So, I'll see you later for Ethan Does Growing Mushrooms. So, goodbye!